Hey ISPs, I'm Akshat and I guarantee this activity will not only make you stand out among your college peers but will also make you a leader. I'm here to share with you the biggest offline activity of ISP program, which is ISP seminar. This activity will play a very important role in your career. So let's start. What is an ISP seminar? An ISP seminar is an offline activity where you give an official presentation in front of your college students and help them to find their dream internship through Internshala. Now, let's talk about why it is compulsory to host a seminar in the ISP program. This opportunity will help you to become a mentor, a marketer, a leader, and ultimately own the title of Internshala student partner. This will help you to develop your essential skills like communication, event management, and interpersonal skills. You'll also learn the art of giving presentation, which is one of the most important skills required in today's corporate world. Lastly, and most importantly, you'll empower so many students to kickstart their career. Hence, you'll truly embark on a leadership journey by hosting an ISP seminar. To make things more exciting for you, we have huge rewards for this activity. By hosting a seminar, you can earn up to 50 ISP points. Top 10 ISPs conducting a seminar with maximum number of students will get gift vouchers. A special certificate of appreciation would be given to the ISPs hosting the seminar. Please note, the detailed reward plan will be mentioned in your ISP seminar kit. Guys, as you know, you need 60 ISP points to get your completion certificate, and just by hosting a seminar, there's a chance for you to get 50 ISP points. Sounds great, right? So what are the next steps? We'll provide you with all the necessary documents to host the seminar. All you need to do is fill the ISP seminar form so that we can email you your exclusive ISP seminar kit. This kit will contain everything you would need to host the seminar. So hurry up! I don't want you to miss out on this great opportunity. Hope you're really excited to host your first seminar at your college. All the best! And if you have any queries regarding ISP seminar, you can drop us your query using your ISP Help Center.